Every occasion needs an invite, especially your marvelous wedding. People used to send invitation cards to their guests to show them the enthusiasm and also a reminder to come. There is still a trend of physical cards in the most of the countries, but the trend of sending e-cards is now gradually catching up. People use different software or even hire a designer to have the best designs sent digitally to all of their friends and family. Here are some free Android invitation card maker apps that let you design and create your own wedding cards for invitations. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to Technology World Hasib and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Are you looking for an invitation card maker app to create beautiful invitations e-card with minimum effort? If yes, then this is the end of your search. The next generation digital invitation card maker is here. Create professional digital invitation cards, invites for every occasion. Create beautiful invitation cards for every occasions like wedding, engagement, birthday party, etc. And invite your friends and family by sending invitation cards RSVP via email or any other social networking platform directly from the app. Wedding Card Maker is easiest way to create wedding card with attractive card designs. With this application, you can create a wedding invitation card instantly. Add your information about wedding like name, date, place, location, and then all you need to do is pick a card design of your preferred choice, and then you will be taken to our editing tool options like text, frames, stickers, and best attractive quotes, etc. Wedding Card Maker, with this app, you can make attractive invitation cards without doing any kind of expenses. It provides you to best and beautiful features. Have you been looking for a digital invitation maker free or birthday and wedding invitation card maker to produce amazing e-cards without putting too much effort? Then this is where you can put a stop to your hunt regarding invites. It will let you make invitation cards, flyers and posters as well. By using this invitation maker free, you will need not to have any designing skills, and it also allows you to turn your imagination into reality. So why wait? Try our invitation maker free to make birthday and wedding invitation postcards. Digital invitation used to be a lengthy and expensive process, but not anymore. Create custom cards designs, edit your invitation template and send it to your loved ones. Digital Invitation Card Maker app provides you thousands of templates to create your own custom invitation cards. You can use a wedding card design app to send invitation card to invite your loved ones in wedding, engagements, get-together, barbecue, also professional works like meetings, professional events, graduation party and many more. You can easily customize the designs and edit it with your own images, messages, stickers, etc. You can craft your own professional quality invitation cards with free online design tool in Invitation Maker app. Grabbing attention nowadays is tough. With so many people throwing events and parties any time of the year, the first thing potential party guests look at is the invitation. Use our invitation maker free of charge to create e-invite for any event and stand out from the crowd. You can create invitations for all seasons with our invitation app. Greetings Islands Invitation Creator has a free invitation template for every occasion. As soon as your guest receives your digital invitation, the celebration begins. These apps have been chosen after a thorough research and review. You can choose any of these apps for your next function to create an amazing wedding card design. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Technology World Hasib, like the video, share the video and be sure to express your opinion in the comments section. Thanks.